To jump straight in and find out what new material is available in Naxos Music Library, head straight over to the New and News section on the front page. The first thing you will see is a list of albums added to the Naxos Music Library in the last 7 days. This list can get rather long, so if you prefer you can click View List on the top right and see the contents in a more compact list. Click Details again to see album covers and more information. The default display shows the last 7 days, but clicking this drop-down list will show you the last 3 weeks as well. With so much being added to Naxos Music Library all the time, it's sometimes hard to keep up, so this is a useful tool. Clicking on any album will open that album page, allowing you to see the track list, play the album, or perform other functions like adding tracks to a playlist, favoriting, or sharing the album. See our separate video for more tips about the information presented there. The New Releases tab at the top of the page jumps to a view that shows albums that have been released in the current month. In the left column, you'll see a list of all labels that have new releases in the current month, with the labels listed alphabetically. Click on any label on the left-hand side to see the results updated on the right-hand side. Only labels that have new releases are listed here. If you're interested in new releases in a specific category, use the Category tab here. This will show you new releases grouped by the category of the works included. Let's click on Choral and Secular to see the latest releases. Finally, the tab News at the top of the page gives you an update on new labels joining the Naxos Music Library and other news. There's a logo and a brief introduction. Clicking on a link in each entry will take you to the label page and show you which recordings are available.